Yo, YouTube. It's your boy Jason Barber, an educator, back at you again with another one. We're dealing with the Texas State Board examination, practical exam for the state of Texas. Right here, as you can see, the mannequin's already prepared from the previous section, which is the chemical service application preparation. All right. So now we're going to go in and we're going to do the permanent waving section. As you can see here, I got everything already laid out. Your bag labeled properly. We got our 4 perm rods. We got our combs. We got our cotton coil and our papers. We're going to lay our papers out. And you want to make your papers loose where you can easily grab them ahead of time. So you don't want them sticking together now that when you're ready to grab them. All right. We won't need that until we're ready to use that. So we're going to start out here, putting a little moisture on 1/4. You're going to do 4 rods on 1/4. The head slope down here like that makes the roller kind of lean and fall. So I'm gonna take that section out. Okay, we're just gonna push this over out our way. How about that? All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make subsections about the width of the roller, about the diameter of the roller, but the width here between 2 points there, and then that. All right, and we're going to make the subsection as wide as the diameter of the roller. Show you how to do this here. Come in, you get that, and how you do it, you pull it to the side and you measure. So that's about right. You get that, and then you can put your roller back down, and you want to make sure the hair is wet. I just teach students just to pull them out at a 90, whatever section you're working on, subsection. When you roll it, whatever projection you have, if this is 90-degree projection, then all 4 rollers must be a 90-degree projection. Pull that roller all the way up to the top and keep it tight. You can rock it if you want to keep it tight all the way down. Now this, it has to be on over in the front. And look here, it cannot be any twist right here. It has to be straight. If you've got any twist in there like that, you can lose points. Want that there, push it over in the front, tight. All right. Now we're going to come here. We're going to get, we're going to work on this. All right. We're going to get another one. All right. All right. Let's just check it. Tiny bit. All righty. Get a little moisture. Gonna get paper. All right. You want to make sure you got the proper projection, 90 degrees out from where it grows. What we're doing is a single booking. You fold the paper. Here you can do either single booking or double booking. They don't really care. I would teach a single booking because it's just simple for me to teach, for students to pick up. You wet that a little bit, make sure it's wet. And you pull, put it in the center of the roller rod. Pull out and still be projecting directly at 90 degrees. Come up above the tips. You have to come above the tips before you start rolling because you don't want to have any what they call fish hooks. Okay. Make sure ain't no twisting your band. Bring that band around front. Tighten it in. There you go. Let's do a third one. We got to make sure that projection is 90 degrees out from where it grows. This is not a 90. It's not a 90 because that ain't how far it grows. This is the 90 degrees out from where it grows. 90-degree projection. You get your roller, put it up against that paper in the center of the roller, pull up to the top. Then you want to start rolling. Keep your tension on it all the way down, tight to the head. Get the twist out of your band. Bring that band all the way around. And put that in the front. Hold it tight. Grab you another subsection. All right. Hold that. Get your paper. Oh, let me get my projection right. Get your paper. Hold it there. Slide up. Stop. Make sure it's wet. Get your roller. Place it. Slide up some more. And roll that against the roller tight. Once you get good, then you can grab it on the sides out here. Start in the middle, and you go to the sides once you're good. Stand up over there. Push it to the front like that. You got the rollers tight. Pause. Go down here. Back. So once you roll all the rollers, all at the same projection, nice and neat. So what you have to do now is you take your cotton coil. You grab your cotton coil. And you wrap the cotton coil around the rollers. This is simulating that you're wrapping around the customer's head after you roll that full head. That's what this is simulating. So you wrap it around here, you make sure they tuck good and everything. Okay? And then you stand there. And the rater is going to come up to you and say, "Candidate, please saturate the rod." So what you want to do then is you want to put on, well, you already put your gloves on before you stand there and wait on them. So after you put the cotton coil on, put your gloves on. That way they will know that you're ready to saturate the rods with the chemical solution. Then you say, "Candidate, please saturate the rods." You grab your permanent waving solution. You grab your towel to cover any drips that can come from applying the solution. And you want to come over here and you want to and you don't want to touch the hair with the tip. And you want to get all the hairs, all the way from that end to this end. And you got this towel up there so that you're protecting the customer's eyes from solution. Okay. Now the rater is going to ask you, "Please demonstrate a test curl." So what you do now, you come here, you take a roller out, okay, and you bounce it like that, pull it back out, bounce it like that, and then if you want to, you can roll it back up, or you can just take the roller out and put it on there, and you like this, and they'll say, "Thank you, candidate," and they'll walk off, and that'll be the end of that section. So that is your permanent waving section of the Texas Barber practical exam. Jason Barber, an educator. See you on the next one.